What's going on, guys? It's Justin here, back for another installment of our Ram build. Now, if you remember back to episode 2, we installed some airbags on our truck, and I said we were gonna wait to plumb those because we had some other things in store. Well, now that we have our air compressor and air horn set up on, those things are in store. So we're gonna go ahead and mount an airbag controller in the center console of our truck and then run all the plumbing. So come along with me as we get this stuff all plumbed up. Now we're getting ready to install our airbag controller in our glove box. And to do that, we're gonna drill a hole in the bottom of our glove box. And in the floor here, we're gonna install a couple grommets to keep them sealed from the weather. But we have to run our air lines from in the cab back to the airbag, so we need to make a hole in the floor. So go ahead. We're gonna put our hole right about here. So we can cut out. So we've gone ahead and got our air lines ran inside our truck. And to do that, we drilled a hole in the bottom of our glove box. We drilled another one below our floor. And a little tip for you guys, make sure to look where you're drilling from the top and the bottom. You don't want to drill into any important wires or per se a cross member that's really going to slow you down and getting your lines ran. So we got our lines ran all the way under the vehicle and secured. So these come from two of them come from the airbags, and then another one comes right from the compressor tank. And these are all gonna hook up to our little controller here. And the reason we went with this manual style controller versus like one of the electric ones with the little key fob is because this is a work truck. So more than likely with multiple people driving this thing, those fobs tend to get lost. And with this bolted down in the vehicle, this isn't going anywhere unless someone really gets after it. So let's get this thing mounted in the vehicle and see how it works. So we got our holes mounted to drill our compressor, and we already got 2 of our air lines hooked up. Just to show you guys how easy this really is, these airline fittings on this system are simply push lock. So you grab your line, you want to make sure you cut it flush. Once it's flush, you just go ahead and they literally slide into place, and then they're locked. Now to remove it, you just pull back this collar, wiggle the line a little bit, and the line will pull right out. Just take it, depress this collar here, pull on it one good snug, and the line comes right out. And this makes this really great for hooking it up, but if you ever have to make a repair in the future, it'll make getting the system all fixed a breeze. Just gonna double check to make sure they're all good. Flip this thing into mounting position. Now we're kind of limited for room in here inside our Dodge where we're mounting everything because we have a center console truck. So to get this controller out of the way and where we're not using it all the time, we mounted it in the glove box. So when we're not in use, it's out of the way. You're not bumping your knee on it like our old trailer brake controller. But when you have to use it and adjust it, simply just flip open your glove box, hit a couple switches, and you're good to go. So with everything hooked up, no matter what we're towing behind our truck or putting in our bed, this thing is gonna be ready to go and ride down the highway the best it possibly can. So let's go test this out and see what it's all about. So this switch controls our driver's side bag, and this switch controls our passenger. And then each needle is corresponding. So the right needle is the orange needle, that's our passenger side bag, and the black needle is our driver's side bag. So by pushing the switches up, this is adding air into our airbag, so we have them set about 60 PSI right now. And then to release air, you simply just pull these down. So what these are gonna do is these are putting pressure in each of our bags. So if our load's a little bit uneven or the thing's towing more to the left or more to the right, you can compensate and level the truck by adding more air to one bag than the other. And just like that, our airbag controller install is all done. So until next time, make sure to like and subscribe to the Summit Racing YouTube channel and punch that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the action. I'm Justin with Summit Racing. I'll see you guys later.